Hello all. In this lecture we will see some more methods of string class. So let's see. The first method is find. The find method finds the first occurrence of the specified value and it returns -1 if the value is not found. So make a new example, h.py. Let the string be, this is an example, and print x.find s. Here we will get the index of the first occurrence of s. So let's run this example, h.py. Okay, we are getting the index of s. Now let's pass d instead of s. Here we don't have any d, so we'll get -1. So let's run. Okay, -1. Now here's a variant of find, that is rfind. This method will start finding the index from the end of the string, that is from the right, hence rfind. So let's see, print x.rfind s, running h.py. Okay, we are getting the index from right. Okay. Now there are the overloaded versions of find and rfind. Overloaded methods are the methods which are same by definition but differ in their parameter list. Okay. The overloaded method of find and rfind have 3 parameters. These are string, start index and the end index. So let's see. New example, i.py. X equal to, this is an example, and print x.find a, 9 and 14. So here the search for a will start from the index 9 up to the index 14, where 14 is exclusive. So let's see, running i.py. Okay, you can check the output and understand more thoroughly. Okay, similar is rfind. So I'm leaving it up to you, and if you have any doubts then let me know. Okay, so moving on to next method, that is index. The index method finds the first occurrence of the specified value and it raises an exception if the value is not found. So this is the main difference between find and index. If the element is not found by find method, then it returns -1, whereas if the element is not found by index, it raises an exception. The usage is same for both the methods. So quickly let's see index and its overloaded methods. j.py. Let the string be, this is a sample string, and print x.index of s. So let's see the output. Okay, we are getting the first index of s. Let's say we pass x instead of s. So here we should get an exception. Okay, we are getting the exception. Okay. Now let's see our index. This is similar to rfind. This will search for the string from end of the string, and if not found then it will raise the exception. So let's see. Let's make a new string, s equal to, he is 10 years old and he plays cricket. Print s.rIndex and he. Here we will get the index of second he. Okay, because he in this string is 2 times and we are using rIndex, So we will get the index from the right. So we'll get the index of second A. Okay. So let's run. Okay. Now let's see the overloaded method. New example. k.py. Let the string be, again he is 10 years old and he plays cricket. We will pass the start index and the end index also. So print s.index he 0 and 5. So here we go. There is one more method left, rIndex with parameters string, start index and end index. So I am leaving this method for you all. So try this, play around with it, it's your playground. And if you have any doubts, I'm here to help you, and see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.